Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are trying to download a Windows ISO file from the Microsoft website and getting this error message, we encounter a problem processing your request. Please try again later. This problem can happen because of incorrect Chrome settings, corrupted browser data, or a temporary browser issue. In this video, I will show you a simple way to fix this problem. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. From the left side menu, click Reset Settings. Now select Restore Settings to their original defaults. A confirmation window will appear. Click Reset Settings. Chrome will reset the browser settings. Your saved bookmarks and passwords will not be deleted. After resetting, close Chrome completely and open it again. Now go back to the Microsoft website and try downloading the Windows ISO file again. As you can see, the ISO download page is now working properly and the error message is gone. This simple Chrome settings reset can fix the "we encounter a problem processing your request" error when downloading ISO files from Microsoft. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and troubleshooting guides.